YouTubers, right now I'm here at Kranji MRT. We have a new adventure right now and we will go to Kranji Marshes, no? So join with me in this new adventure and just sit down and relax and watch this vlog. Okay guys, I will start now the journey from Kranji to Kranji Marshes in 3, 2, 1, go! Yun, right now guys, we are here at Kranji Road. I will go straight ahead towards this road, and end point we will turn left. That is the direction going to Kranji Marshes. So it will be a long haul, and just sit back and relax and join me in this walking adventure. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is the direction, right? So we're gonna turn left on the corner to go to the location, our endpoint, Kranji Marshes. Okay, so we're gonna turn left on that. See the vehicle that are turning left, so we will follow that direction. Okay guys, let's proceed and go on with our adventure. Now I'm curving left now. Okay, this direction we will follow the route that the vehicle are going, and we follow that direction going to our endpoint, which is Kranji Marshes. Okay, let's go. We saw some refreshing view along the way, so we have to stop here and take a video of this beautiful sight. Oh, this water along the river is very beautiful. Okay guys, I stopped over here at the Kranji Reservoir fishing ground B. It looks interesting. A lot of people doing their fishing activities here, as you can see. So there's a benches rather, and a lot of people there are just doing their fishing activities. Yee, so big, right? So good place to bond with your family and friends, right? So you're facing the sea and doing your fishing activities is a cool activity indeed. Okay, enjoy the ride. Guys, we are nearing our destination, most probably around 2 kilometers more, and we will reach the Kranji Marshes. I tell you, this is a beautiful place for those wild birds and sea. We'll see a view of maybe a swamp or a river, I don't know, or a lake. Let's see. So we're getting near and okay, about 1 kilometer and we will be there. Okay, thank you guys for joining. There you go, we are here at the signboard of Kranji Marshes and we will go straight ahead. Let's see, I think we're getting nearer really. Have to go there. Finally, we're gonna turn left and we go to the end point now. So it's been a long ride, it's been a long haul. It's very far indeed. It's around 8 kilometer. Yeah, 8 kilometer from Kranji MRT. So let's go inside, let's find out what's in here. Gonna walk a little bit and find out what in store in this Kranji Marshes. Okay, I'm just curious about this birds, flock of birds I will be able to see in this place. Let's see if there are a lot of birds indeed. Okay, oh, very nice skies. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, I think the place is there in the park, car park there. Yeah, in that place maybe. Let's see, let's go. We are here inside the Kranji Marshes, exploring the place left and right. Okay, quite a good place here. Quite new to me. Let's see if we see some wild boar here. So this is the map where you know the attraction like West Marsh and Truth Woods, Kingfisher Burrow, Moorhead and Blind, Raptor Tower, some hen hide. Okay, let's see what install here. Okay, let's go. Stiff road. Yeah, let's go, let's move.
I got caught there because I wasn't around.
You were very
We finally reached the top.